have never, ever seen this before.
Tip over.
As you can tell by the label. Spaghetti! Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little travel vlog. We are out west, we're in Arizona, and living the Western life for a week or two. Let's explore the desert, shall we?
This place in the red's called the Dam Bar. No one knows why, because we're nowhere near a dam.
The moment we've been waiting for.
Spaghetti and a Western.
My grandparents used to have spaghetti westerns. Very popular in the 80s.
Look at EJ's outfit though.
In the West.
Dressed by, you guess who? Little speedster.
Hearings by Kendra Scott was run by.
Cheers, Mom.
Cheers. Spaghetti dinner.
Thank
If I eat
you.
all this, it's gonna be a miracle.
Spaghetti. Western.
What was the original name for Carefree Highway? What was the original name for Carefree Highway? Before it was Carefree Highway, what was it called?
Route 69.
Okay, raising hand.
No, it's not Route 69.
Go, BJ.
19041. Right here.
Yes!
Yeah! Let's go!
Check his ticket.
Check it.
It looks shady. Check his ticket.
Verify that.
It looks shady. 419.
You want me to hold it over here?
Let's go!
$25 gift
Thank
card
you.
to the museum gift store, and then
Best day ever. I'd like to thank my sponsors.
Dude, what do you get?
Another t-shirt. Already bought one,
I
but
already bought this shirt.
I'll rock two.
Alright, what else we got?
Weed trail mix?
Actually?
No, it's prickly. Dude, and a book?
Birdhouse by Mary was won by Tiffany Stone.
Yeah!
Thank you. I did win it.
Let's go get it.
Okay. I need to go.
Good job, T. Can I get a word from the new self-appointed mayor in town?
Self-appointed mayor.
Yeah. What's up with
Self-appointed mayor.
that, dude?
Spaghetti Western. It's a real thing. Google it.
Wait. Dinner with the side of history.
Yep.
How often do these happen? Can we do it every week or not?
Well, now that I'm the mayor, I'll make it happen. Every third Thursday of the month.
Third Thursday.
Every
This
third
is
Thursday.
For a wren or a chickadee.
T, what did you win?
A birdhouse. To open, turn knob on back counter clockwise to remove and carefully lift. Okay.
Oh, wow.
What if there's already a bird in here? Counterclockwise.
I don't know about that one.
We almost needed a shopping cart for how much winning.
Seriously, we
Out of control.
kind of clear this place out. In proper Western fashion, we settled down after a thrilling night of spaghetti and history and watched Blazing Saddles, followed by a 26-mile pit bike adventure the next day to scope out the local scenery. I don't think that's yummy, dude.
Made it.
Almost shat myself.
Was it bad?
No, it's just a little... It was scary at first.
Did you tip over?
No.
Oh, that was boring. Where's Tiffany? Oh, she's still way up there. Tip over.
In the middle of the desert, ripping pit bikes. T,
Yeah.
how's your ride going so far?
It is going wonderful. I've only fell once.
Me too.
That they just start running and they'll run right off cliffs or right into trees or right into walls because they're not paying attention because the bite hurts really bad.
So what if it bites a human?
Same.
Oh, EJ, don't get bit.
Yeah, really bad, but don't run into the wall. Oh no, you scund your leggings.
Note to self, don't wear leggings on the trail.
Wear real pants like an adult.
Well, you know what? When you have one suitcase and 2 weeks to pack for, you gotta prioritize. All right, thanks. Fuck off. I should have. What kind of fish? Oh yeah. You're just chilling in there. Is that like a little rapids down there? Wow. No? Freezing? Oh, it feels good. Oh. it is. We'll just keep that covered for now. Fix that up later. We're just on the way home, but I wanted to stop and say hello to the horsies. This bike doesn't have a kickstand, so I can't really just leave it. But I want to give them pets. They're so cute. Wow. If there's one thing y'all know about me, I love a good sunset. Good morning. Morning? Not morning. Good afternoon, everybody. It is currently Thursday, November 9th. Now, I've been in Arizona for a few days now. Since leaving SEMA and SEMA Fest, we drove to Arizona. So, on the to-do list for today is wrapping some more of Drew's bikes. So, last year when I was out here, I wrapped 2, 3, and we were just discussing in the car how he does this thing where he just keeps buying bikes and keeps buying bikes. So now his collection has grown, so I'm gonna put matching graphics on the new bikes to match his old bikes. But yeah, those are the plans.
Way to go, Dad.
Hell yeah.
Right.
Now to drop off the bike?
No.
No. Damn it!
For a notary. And then to drop off the bike. And then go wrap the other bike.
Lots of bike stuff today. Final product. It looks like every single other bike you own now.
Yes. Perfect.
Hell yeah. What?
Damn it. I hate when I gotta call the guy over to get my bottle.
Where's the service button?
God damn it.
Normally it's for like razors that are like $20 and you just press the button. No, in Scottsdale you can get a $7,000 bottle of
It's on sale though.
whiskey. Well, but you have to be a member.
I am a member.
You are.
$700. You just can't pass up savings like that.
That's crazy.
Dude, they just have like $300 bottles of wine just hanging out.
In a grocery store.
Aloe vera. You get a sunbridge, crack that open, wipe it on you.
I would need that if I saw the sun
Do your
ever.
pineapples come in a box?
And they're freaking pink.
She's way ahead of me. Thanks, man.
The State Farm Stadium for Dino's
Get down.
Get Down. I heard interesting fact.
The interesting fact about this stadium
All right,
is
let's
the
hear
grass
it.
that's on the actual football field is on a wheel system, and it gets wheeled out during the days and non-football days, so it can sit in the sun and grow like organic grass.
Like real grass?
And then when they go to play football, they wheel the entire football area back in, draw the lines, and play football on it. I'm from Arizona. I know all Arizona. All of AC. Because why wouldn't you want your old C10 with a
Right.
wheel and have air conditioning?
Especially if you live here.
We're gonna feel it. Not quite the Goodyear model.
I was gonna say, is that the Goodyear?
No, Goodyear's 2004. That one's way too old.
I have never, ever seen this before. That is incredible.
First one ever.
This is gonna go down in history.
Very unique.
Unique 10 out of 10.
Short bed, twin turbo LS. Not in the world.
Hi, Pablo.
$6. Awesome. Thank you very much. One step off the shocker.
So embarrassed
Why?
because I don't remember any of that.
That's a good night. Jim's leg up. That's my favorite part. Jim like put his trendy photo leg up.
What the hell? What happened at the rodeo,
No,
dude?
I think it's just that's how you clean your car. Is that what pickles is?
Yeah, I have a Frenchie and he's Blue Merle too.
Do you?
Yeah.
Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl.
Cross. Hit him with the horns, Tony.
You went the back way?
I did. Where am I left?
All right. Really cross. Good morning, everybody. And by morning, I mean afternoon. It is 3 o'clock. This camera does not do it justice, really. I mean, look at all these cacti. This place is so beautiful. Update on the little wound. It's wounding. It's honestly not that bad. Today's project is a fun one. Dun, 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 dun. This is Drew's F. I was definitely just going to call this thing an F450, but it is obviously not a heavy-duty Ford truck. This is a Honda 450 that I'm going to be throwing graphics on. I just did a grom the other day, and then he has another grom for me to wrap. This install should be super straightforward. All I'm going to do is wipe down the panels with some alcohol. I have the concentrated stuff here. I usually do a 1-to-1 solution of alcohol to water and then mix it in a spray bottle like this, as you can tell by the label. So I'm going to wipe it down, and then I just have to figure out which shape on here matches which shape on there, which it's always like a little puzzle. Let's get into it. Quick crash course on bike installs. They are super straightforward, as I mentioned. There is not too much to break down prior to install. I'd say that the trickiest part about this entire procedure is just making sure that the design flows properly and that everything lines up. Over the years, I've come to find out that just because graphics are made from a template doesn't mean they will fit exactly as they should. No shade to these graphics in particular, that is just something I have found out from experience. Bike graphics are thicker than the average material used on cars. It can be manipulated very gently, not as much as you could a normal car vinyl per se. As always, I post heat everything I wrap, and the outcome is a super clean install. Alright, so the sun is going down behind me, so it has cooled off considerably. Bike is done. It looks sweet. Let me show you. Pretty cool. There's the other side. Wow. Cool beans. So it is my last night here in Arizona, unfortunately. I just wrapped up with the bike in the garage, and now I'm just going for a little stroll. There's little horsies behind me. But like the cacti, the sunset. Are you serious right now? Oh, the desert is just so pretty. Alrighty, that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed tagging along on this Western adventure of mine. If you did, please remember to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to follow my Instagram. It will be linked in the description box below and on the screen. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. See ya!